generators, and the barrier will fall?
A small section, yes.
Good enough. Johnson, drop the chief at the first generator, then head to the third. The elites will punch right down the middle.
Roger that.
Charlie, Foxtrot. Tower 1 approaches. Active AAA.
Mayday! I can't control it!
Pelican down! Pelican down!
Brace yourselves! We're going in a little hot!
Commander, this is Kilo 2-3. Lost my wingman and our only hog. Over.
Secure, Commander. Hostile anti-air has been neutralized.
Hold position. I'm on my way. Shipmaster, begin diversionary bombardment.
I will beat the Prophet's shield like a drum. By the time the barrier falls, he will beg for mercy.
The Spark believes Truth can activate the rings at any time. If he does, Earth, every being in the galaxy, Halo will kill them all. Get to the first tower. Shut it down.
Ma'am, we're on the ground. Third tower in sight.
Good. The Arbiter and the elites have touched down at number 2.
Objective in sight. Watch for heavy armor.
Hostiles down! Watch it!
Go!
Offline at that tower.
inside that tower! Stick together. Check your corners.
demon dares test us. I'm going after its inventor.
Chief, find the tower controls and shut it down. Good work, Chief. That's one. The Arbiter should be just about to... That's two. It's all up to Johnson's team now. Get back outside, Chief. Wait for transport. Johnson, come in. Over.
We're reinforcements, man. We're pinned down.
I'm on my way.
Negative. Fire's too heavy. Everyone fall back.
Sergeant Major! Johnson, can you hear me? Chief, you need to link up with the Arbiter and proceed directly to the third tower. Make your way back to the beach.
You are dragging ass, people. Let's go.
Get in, sir.
Come on, let me try. Everyone on board.
Sir, got a flight of birds that need an escort. Take the Hornet, get those Pelicans safely to the third tower.
Then get inside the tower.
Darken this tower and the barrier will fall. Go, Spartan. We have no time to waste.
Now, Prophet, your end has come.
My charity. By the gods, brace for impact!
Shipmaster, what's your status?
Significant damage. Weapon system disabled.
Move to a safe distance. Stay away from the flood.
Why would the parasite come here?
The Ark is out of range of all the active installations. Priority, we must contain this outbreak before...
No! First, we stop Truth. Then we deal with the flood.
Quickly, I must see the point of impact. Assess the damage to the Ark.
Have you with us, sir?
To the top of these hills, Oracle, no higher. We cannot risk your capture by the flood.
The Shipmaster's carrier is out of commission, Chief. I need you to take down Truth. The flood's just going to put pressure on him and accelerate his plans. Punch through the cliffs. Get inside that citadel.
I see trouble! They're using the turret!
Citadel in sight! Troops are mobilizing everything they've got.
Ice the tango! That was a lot of people dying at once. Sucker's dead! He's suspected.
fire on number 2. Both scarabs down. Well done. Marine, kill the stragglers.
The flood scales the Citadel's far wall. Activate this bridge oracle. Prophet will die by miles, not theirs.
Calamity! If only we had more time!
It asked, and I answered.
My
For a
faithful,
moment of safety,
stand
I
firm.
asked.
Our enemies crowd around us. We tread the blessed path. In a moment I will light the rings, and all who believe shall be saved.
Chief, how close are you?
Not close enough.
That the best you got? Oh, come on. Impress me. Stop! You imbecile! He wants you to kill him. I'd prefer that you did not. What's the matter, big shot? Can't start your own party? I admit, I need your help. But that secret dies with all the rest.
Johnson, sound off.
Get out of here!
Not without you.
You delay the inevitable. One of you will light the rings. You cannot hope to kill them all.
You're right.
Do it. Me. And you. Now. No! Your forefathers wisely set aside their compassion, steeled themselves for what needed to be done. I see now why they left you behind. You were weak, and gods must be strong.
Not shoot, but listen. Let me lead you safely to our foe. Only you can halt what he has set in motion.
How could I have known the parasite would follow? Undoubtedly, this is the final litter.
Stop the rings. Save the rest.
Can you see, Arbiter? The moment of salvation is at hand.
It will not last.
Your kind never believed in the promise of the sacred ring.
Lies for the weak, beacons for the deluded. I will have my revenge. On a prophet, not a plague.
My feet tread the path. I shall become a god.
You will be food, nothing more.
No! I am truth, the voice of the covenant.
So, you must be silenced. Headstones pushed aside. Corpses shift and offer room. A fate you must abide. We trade one villain for another.
Huh? I can barely keep hold of her, Chief. No way I can pick you up. Head back to the lift. Find a way down.
So far we along the path that I must stray to hear the clumsy paddle hits.
I'm a thief, but I keep what I steal.
What do you see? Replacement. The ring you destroyed.
When did you know? Just now. But I had my hopes. What will you do? Light it. Then we are agreed. A tactical post will completely eradicate the local infestation. I will personally oversee the final preparations, though it will take time to fabricate.
How will you light